वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी का कहना है कि माहौलियाती तब्दीली एक बड़ा ख़तरा है। पाकिस्तान माहौलियाती तब्दीली के चैलेंज से निमटने के लिए माहौलियाती तब्दीली की पॉलिसी पर अमल पैरा है। पाकिस्तान में ग्रीन हाउसेस गैसेस का अखराज 1% से भी कम है। पाकिस्तान अपनी 50% तवानाई की ज़रूरियात गैस से पूरी कर रहा है। आइंदा साल मुल्क में फर्नेस ऑयल की दरामद ख़त्म कर दी जाएगी। माहौलियाती तब्दीली से मुतालिक साइंस पॉलिसी कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म का कहना था,
We used to shovel snow from our rooftops. Nobody had ever seen a table fan or a ceiling fan. Today, people are putting in air conditioners. So, the crop patterns have changed, the tree growth is stunted. The changes are so radical and they're so obvious that I think nobody needs to be today educated about climate change. I think Pakistan remained fairly immune, at least the population remained fairly immune from the issue, but now we are all feeling the effects. What happened in Lahore a few weeks back, I think, is an eye-opener. And this is just the beginning. If we don't take action, this is just the beginning. Pakistan ratified the Paris Agreement on Climate Change in 2015, and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif spent a lot of time there, spent a lot of time on the issue, and I think Pakistan is fully committed to playing its part in working on climate change. Our emphasis is three-pronged. We first will protect our population from the effects of climate change. We have to promote growth and reduce poverty at the same time, and we also need to meet our international commitments to reduce emissions to prevent climate change. So Pakistan remains committed to all these issues that we had acceded to as part of the Paris Agreement.
वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा कि 8% बजट मौसमियाती तब्दीली से मुतालिका मसाइल के लिए मुख्तस किया जाता है। इस हवाले से उनका मज़ीद कहना था,
Today, 8% of the government budget goes to climate-related issues. The Parliament also has taken action. The Act on Climate Change has been passed, and two institutions, the National Climate Change Authority and the National Climate Change Council, have been created. We've also adopted the National Climate Change Policy. But this is just the beginning. We are also committed to managing our the disasters that we face, the natural disasters that we face. The PMD, the Met Department, provides the related information. The GCISC provides research, and the NDMA provides the response. But a lot more needs to be done. And we are moving in that direction. There are resource limitations, but I think the investments made in reducing the effects of climate change are very, very critical to Pakistan and its responsibility as a global citizen. We are committed to a 20% reduction in emissions as set out in the Paris Agreement. Pakistan, fortunately, even today, has a very clean energy mix. 50% of our primary energy comes from gas, and another 20% comes from hydropower and other renewables. So only 30% comes from oil and coal and other polluting fuels. And we intend to even go further to reduce that.
तवानाई की पैदावार में हासिल होने वाली कामयाबी के हवाले से बात करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी ने कहा,
In 2012, we had 0 kilowatt hour generation from renewables. This year, we will have 1.5 billion kilowatt hours. It's not much. It's about less than 2% of our total generation, but it's a start. And we intend to take this up to triple it within the next 2 years. So Pakistan is committed to renewable generation. We are also making a massive change from furnace oil generation to gas-based generation. there is unfortunately, for the first time, we are committing to some coal-based generation to diversify our energy mix. But it will remain below 7%. And this is the latest clean coal energy. But again, the shift away from furnace oil will more than compensate will more than mitigate any negative effects that coal generation may have. There was a lot of debate on this issue. There was a lot of views on the issue. But at the end, to diversify the mix and to provide energy security, we took this difficult decision, but we put in place mitigants to reduce the effects of coal generation. We're also committing more to hydropower. We are, for the first time, Pakistan has moved to Euro 2 standard fuels, both in diesel and petrol.
मौसमियाती तब्दीली साइंस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी ने मज़ीद कहा,
We were till early this year the second highest furnace oil consumer country in the world. Hopefully, in 2018, we will have zero imports of furnace oil, and within another 2 years, we should go down to zero generation from inefficient furnace oil plants. Our global, as I pointed out here, our global contribution to greenhouse gases is less than 1%. So Pakistan remains a responsible global citizen, and we intend to even reduce that footprint further. So Pakistan is very committed to reducing greenhouse emissions and to reducing the effects of climate change. I look forward to the results of this conference and the building of relationships to share information, to share steps to reduce global climate change, which affects everybody. So let me again thank all of you, and I hope that this conference will lead to more interaction and more conferences in the future to provide information and knowledge about reduction of climate change. Thank you very much.
पाकिस्तान में पहली मर्तबा हालात हाजरा के मुख्तसर मगर जामे प्रोग्राम्स, खबरों, तबसरों के अलावा दीगर समाजी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती, मजहबी, तालीमी, सेहत और बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स सिर्फ TNN TV पर।